I am Kumar, and in this video I'll take up two examples based on arranging people in a straight line. The first one here is a junior choir and senior choir are both singing selections at holiday concert. The junior choir has a repertoire of 4 songs and the senior can sing any of 8 songs. In how many different ways can the junior choir sing 2 selections and the senior choir 3 selections? Assume the junior choir could always sing first, right? So what we are given here, so the junior choir has a selection of how many songs? 4 songs. The senior choir has a selection of 8 songs. And what do we want? In how many ways can the junior sing 2 selections? And they go first, right? So in how many ways can the junior, so this is for 2, for juniors, and senior choir 3 selections. And this is 3 selections for senior choir. Now it is important here, this statement, assume the junior choir could always sing first. So I say assume that junior choir sings first. Let's think like this. Okay. So the choices are these 2 for junior choirs. That means if I choose 4 options are there and then 3. So that is for the junior choir. For senior 8, right? So we could have 8, 7 and then 6. So these are the choices. We could write the answer as out of 4, juniors will select 2, and as far as seniors are concerned, out of 8, they are selecting 3, right? So that becomes our solution. Now note, if there was an option that seniors could start before juniors, then this will be times 2. Note, if seniors or juniors could start. So if we have an option that any one of them could start, then we'll have twice these options. Do you see that? So in that case, the answer would have been 2 times 4p2 times 8p3. Do you understand? So this could have been in a different way. So let me take another example now. I'll follow it up with another example where we will have boys and girls singing and they will be positioned alternately. And that will give you a good view of how to solve such questions. Thank you. The question here is, in how many ways can 5 girls and 5 boys in a choir stand in a line if boys and girls must alternate, right? So in this case, we have 5 girls, let us say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there are 5 boys, right? And there are 5 boys. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have to find number of ways in which boys and girls can stand in a line alternating, right? That means 2 girls are not together or 2 boys are not together. You may pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now for such questions, we should follow cases, for example. So let us first say that we have arrangements for girls. Since there are 5 girls, we have 5 factorial ways of arranging girls. Now, the boys should alternate. That means the boys could take positions like this, right? So in between the girls, so that is alternate. But in this kind of a setup, how many combinations do we have for the boys? we have 5 factorial combinations, correct? 5 factorial combinations. Now, as you can see, boys could be starting, or in this position, boys come first and then girls, but the positions could also be like this. This boy could actually be in between two girls, leading to a situation where the lineup starts with girls, right? So that could be another order, right? So that means we have twice these orders, right? So every position could start with a boy or with a girl. So twice this order. And therefore, for such a question, the answer will be 5 factorial times 5 factorial times 2. You get an idea, right? So that is how we are going to answer this question. And that is, we can say 5 factorial times 5 factorial times 2, which is 28800. I hope the concept is clear. Thank you and all the best.